Hi, welcome to StepsBallroom Online. This is our companion video for week 2 of 8 of our Rumba 1 live stream classes. If you'd like to be a part of our live stream classes, email us at dance@stepsballroom.com, or you can find us at our Facebook page. The link is down in the description. Please like and subscribe, but for now, let's get started. Let's start with a review of the patterns that we covered last week. We started with one basic box step, moving into a lady's natural underarm turn. We then put another basic box step before we continue to do forward rocking break. We returned to one more basic box step and then completed our sequence with a left rotating basic step. So taking our partners, we start 5, 6, 7, 8, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, 1, quick, quick, 2, the lady turns 3, we pick her up on 4, now basic, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, forward rocking break 1, quick rock 2, quick rock 3, quick, quick 4, now basic, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, turning basic 1, quick, quick 2, quick, quick 3, quick, quick 4, now basic, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Repeat from the beginning, quick 1, quick you lift 2, the lady turns 3, we pick her up on 4, now basic, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Rocking break 1, quick rock 2, quick rock 3, quick, quick 4, now basic, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Turning basic, quick 1, quick, quick 2, quick, quick 3, quick, quick 4, and then quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. From there, you continue to repeat. For our new material for tonight for Rumba, we're going to focus in on some technical details on the steps that we don't always get a chance to pick up as we're learning patterns. When we take our steps in Rumba, we want to make sure that we approach the floor with our energy source sliding into or underneath the floor. So when we take our steps, you're not going to be taking the step up and over to the side or up and over to the front. You're actually going to maintain contact through the floor as you step side, together, and forward. The second thing we want to talk about is the follow-through. If you've seen our recent technical video on foot positions and follow-through, which you can find in the link above or down in the description, you can get a complete description of all the types of follow-through. Here, what we're going to use is that diagonal follow-through. So as we take our basic step, side, together, walk forward, the path that the right foot will take moving to the next part of the step will cut diagonally across the center of the square, side, together. And then as we step backwards or slow, the path that the left foot will take diagonally across the square again, side, together. So you want to keep your energy grounded into the floor, sliding across the floor. And then we want to use that diagonal cut, taking our basic step. Putting that all together, we have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now doing these techniques limits us in our step size. The step size for Rumba, even though the music tends to be slow to moderate, is still going to be small underneath the body, which means that when you take your side step, because of those two techniques, you won't be able to take the side step all the way here. You will take the side step just within the scope of your hips. And then as you take your forward step, the smallest step that we can constitute a forward step with is half of a foot length. The largest step you'll ever take in Rumba will be toe to heel. So the distance that you're using on your forwards and your backs in between those 2 points. So you'll take that forward step, then cut diagonally, quick, quick, slow. Again, toe to heel or half a foot length is what we're looking for here. The last technique we want to utilize with the basic steps that we've already learned is Latin motion. Now, when you think about Latin dances, the number one characteristic that we see that makes a Latin dance is hip action. The problem is that we can't just throw the hips from side to side as we're dancing, because that creates ripple up through the body. And if it causes the frame to ripple, well, that's where our leads come from. And if the frame is rippling, how does the lady tell the difference between what's just a style ripple and what's a lead? So for a very sort of technical ballroom angle, we want to be able to create hip action while stabilizing from the rib cage up through the frame so that our hips are free underneath without impacting the frame. And this is a technique that is called Latin motion. Now, Latin motion it's a process. We start learning how to work the knees and building up to it. It took me 2 years to get my Latin motion to look good and not be something that I had to think about while I was doing the dance steps. So this is the first part of that process. Before we can learn to do it in the steps itself, we have to learn to do it with the basic foot positions. So we're going to start with our feet together in first position. What I want you to do is make sure that when we do the knee bends, we do not let the feet pop up off the floor. If the heels pop up, the heels will absorb the energy that would create our hip action. So we want to keep the heels glued down to the floor as we do this gesture. We also want to take our upper body and sort of put it up here on top of the countertop, like we've got a frame. So we're pulling in two directions. Our feet are pulling down, our upper body is pulling up. If we have that oppositional going, then what we're going to do is take our left knee and let that bend while we keep our right leg straight. Now, if you've done this correctly, when your left knee bends, if there's no other compensation in your body, there's nowhere for that shift to go but into the opposite hip. Now, when we straighten our left knee and then bend our right knee, you'll notice that the opposite hip pops. So this alternation of straight and bend on both knees creates the hip action that we're looking for in our Latin steps. Now, in order to be able to do it in the basic step or any of our patterns, we do it in these basic foot positions first. So we're going to start with the first position, and you want to practice quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We then move on to second position. Second position is feet no more than hip width apart. Again, we don't want to be overly wide here, because if we're too wide here, even if you're doing the Latin motion correctly, it looks a little goofy. So we want to keep it balanced and underneath our body. Now, when we are in second position and you bend the knee, you will notice that the weight drifts to that side. So we're no longer split weight between 2 feet. My weight has drifted over to that left foot. Now, when I switch the knees and change the hips, you'll notice that it swings to the opposite foot. So I'm not just in one place. My body weight is actually moving between the 2 feet as I go. While that's happening, you need to make sure that you don't let your shoulders go with you, because you don't want to make yourself seasick as you're going through the process. The top line stays stable even though the body weight is shifting back and forth. So we have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So that's first position and second position. We're also going to work on fourth position. Fourth position are going to be feet in a parallel line. We're not directly in front or behind each foot. We started in first position and I moved 1 foot slightly forward. Now, when we bend the knee here, we have that same body weight shift, except this time it's going forward and back. So when you bend your left knee and let your weight drift forward, that feels okay. But when we straighten the left knee and bend the right knee and our weight drifts backward, it feels really awkward. It's like there's a chair behind us we're about to sit down into. So we then switch back and go to the forward leg, and then switch back and go to the backward leg, letting your weight drift. Now, because of the forward and back motion, more so than any other position here, you're really going to want to twist with this. You've got to fight and keep your shoulders and your hips facing straight forward as you go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now, something can be done with the left foot in front. It can also be done with the right foot in front. So that's the final position that we're going to practice, which is going to be right foot slightly forward of the left foot. We'll start with the left knee. So as you bend the left knee and drift back, again, remember that sort of sitting down feel. Then we switch and shift to the forward leg and let our weight drift forward. So we have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, slow. Thanks for joining us for Rumba. If you'd like to be part of our live stream classes, please make sure you email us at dance@stepsballroom.com. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit all the buttons down below. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.